Colts are for the Bulls. Hey yo! I forgot I had the Joby Gorilla Pod. That joint's tough. Alright yo, that's enough of the track workout. I'm gonna go finish this John. I'm on my break right now, but I'm gonna hurry up and finish. And then I'm gonna do the underglow. I'm not gonna go home and do my test. I'm gonna just do the underglow right now. So, damn, this brightness. Sheesh. There we go. Alright bro. I'll be back. Let's get this underglow started. Let's get this money. Remember, guys, you can do all things, right? Grind till you shine. I know I haven't said that in a while, but grind till you shine, boys. All right, boys. Damn. There we go. We got everything set up. Back on my camera. Got the car up. And for you guys, we're using these little clips that let me show you right here. The clips. Damn. Can we focus? Alright, there you go. We're just doing that. And we're going along the line. Gonna put this through there. Damn, I need a new sway bar link. Jeez. But we'll probably replace everything together. Tires are still pretty fresh, surprisingly. That's great, but let's get the rest of this in. Beam. Alright, let's go, boys. Yo, boys, we're back. Man, dirty ass trunk, but I fixed the car. I know it's raining now. Yeah, it rained on me as I was fixing it. As you can see, the ground's super wet. I'm soaking, but we fixed it. We got the underglow on, and we also tucked it. By the way, anyone doing underglow, you can take the bolt from under here that holds the side skirt in, and you can tuck it inside the side skirt and then put it around the bolt and then screw it back up and it holds it, so you have no hanging wires. So for anyone going for looks and stuff, you can do that. We're definitely lowering this car this week. Gonna probably lower it to here, maybe just more tucked for the meet this Saturday, Static Struggle. It's in PA, May 8th, 11 a.m. to 4. But yeah, we're gonna get that. Let me put my camera away before it gets going. It's a little too bad, but yeah. All right, boys. Thank you so much for watching. I didn't even go home yet. I know I said I was gonna do a test, but I'm gonna do that now. So I'm gonna go home, take my test, and yeah, and I might fix the tail light or the trunk. I don't know yet. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. It's been pretty tough. I don't know if I'm in the video, but we'll see. But if I am, then here's the ending. So remember, guys, grind till you shine, and I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4:13. Remember that. Got me where I am today. Just trust. All right, guys. Peace out.
Carol, where do I sign on the back of the title?
Do you have service on your
I do.
I gotta call my insurance company.
Yeah, so
What's up?
the 350. GT 350?
Yeah.
So you buying it?
Yeah, $5 grand.
Huh?
Yeah, got it for $5,000.
What?
I got it for $5.
That what?
It's coming to you now.
got it for
the guy,
$5.
I'm sending it to you.
Yeah.
Sir.
Might as well. Watch out, Ev. Ah. Chill. Now let's watch you.
Look how nice it sounds, man.
Whew.
Enjoy it, man. I'm glad you guys got it. You guys did it.
We're all car guys.
Yeah.
Sheesh. Sheesh. So
So what?
how you like it, bro?
Nice.
How's it feel?
It's clean.
So you gonna let me drive it, right?
No, you ain't.
Wait. Remember that time you drove my car before I even drove it?
Yeah, because you didn't know how to drive stick. I drive it home for you.
Remember that time, Will? That time, Will?
Yeah, when I get it registered and everything.
Let
Feel free.
me just take it around the block. Let me just
No.
just
When we
take
get back to the area. When we get back to the area.
take it back to the block. You mean? Let me whip that bitch.
Wait, what's the address of the place we're going?
Oh wait, get it from him.
Yeah. Also, who's driving Rick?
I guess I'll drive Rick.
All right.
If Rick dies, it's not my fault.
It's his fault. I'm not driving.
We racing or what?
Hey, hold on. Real quick.
Psych. Boom gang. Look, guys. We checked it out. No blown head gasket. How crazy is that? Sheesh. And it has remote. This remote is for the car, bro. Like, how cool is that?
That's for the radio.
What?
Yeah.
What? I'm dumb. Yo, so this is my car.
This is my car. What you?
And it's good on fuel. Bro, look at the coolant temperatures, bro. It's so nice. This John doesn't get hot.
It's not warmed up yet. That's why.
Chill.
It's a V8.
Damn, who got money? So, sheesh. New car, boys. I just bought it. Right, Evan?
What the?
I just bought a GT. Feel me? Hey, yo, so YouTube saw it first?
I guess so.
Yeah, it's just a V8, guys. Alright,
It's a V6. Don't ever disrespect
It's a
me
V8.
like that.
it's a V8. With that K&N, you feel me?
I want to put this thing on the hydraulics for the hood latch.
Definitely not big as
Let me
Jared's.
put him right here.
Definitely not as big as Jared's.
Jared's was massive. Pause!
All right, you're.
Pause, yo! Yo! I didn't even think about that. Major pause.
It's actually a fair bit cleaner compared to the other one.
Oh, the coolant isn't.
The alternator even
Looks
doesn't even
better.
look bad. Look at the nut that's right on top there. Ain't even that corroded. Still looks fairly new. Still got the marking on it to make sure it lined up. That's all right. Certainly needs some cleaning.
Yeah.
This needs cleaning. Do you see that? Come here.
Yeah, it doesn't need cleaning.
Yeah, it actually doesn't.
Honestly.
But I'm not gonna touch this while it's hot.
You won't do it.
Pitch track, right?
I'm not having that shit shoot out on me.
Should be alright.
Pause. I ain't saying
Pause,
I ain't-
yeah,
I
that
didn't
is a
say nothing.
pause.
I didn't say anything.
Don't crash into the back of Evan's car again.
We're neutral. Okay. This.
What the? That American
I
baby.
definitely do need motor mounts.
It is motor mounts, isn't it? Actually, I don't know.
Yeah, don't change the exhaust. Like the tumble.
I definitely do need motor mounts. Where the motor mounts at? Oh, there they are. Damn, that's gonna be a pain to get to, bro. Yeah, definitely do need motor mounts. That's probably what causes the shaking as well. Motor mounts.
I don't want to change the motor mounts, man. Why not?
That's fine.
If you do change the motor mounts, that would give you an opportunity to clean up the whole engine. I know, so you can take parts off and then clean up the whole engine.
It'll be fine.
Hold it. Somebody else rev it.
Nice.